Oh goodness me. It feels squishy and cold. I think it's moving.
Don't be scared, Daddy.
Wah!
Peppa, George, look what I made. It's a mystery box.
Oh, a mystery box. How do we play? You have to put your hand inside the hole and guess what the object is, but no peeking. Okay, George, your turn first. No peeking. Dinosaur? No, not a dinosaur. Put your hand in. What does it feel like, George? Is it soft? Hard, yellow. Ducky. Pull it out. Yes, it's Mr. Skinny Legs the Duck.
Your turn, Peppa. This one is very tricky.
I am very good at guessing. Yuck.
Keep feeling, Peppa. What is it?
It's cold and slimy. It feels like worms. Ew.
Pull it out and see.
Oh, it's just cold spaghetti. That was disgusting. Snort.
Ho ho ho. What is this? A guessing game? I am an expert at guessing.
Be careful, Daddy. This one is scary.
Pish posh. Nothing scares Daddy Pig. It feels small. Wait a minute. It's fuzzy, and it has lots of legs.
It's crawling up your arm, Daddy.
What? Oh dear. It feels like a spider.
Wah!
Oh my dear. This is actually scary.
Okay, last round. This is a special one for everyone.
I can't do this anymore.
Last round. Go for it, George. It smells delicious. It smells like sugar. Soft. I think I know what it is. 1, 2, 3, pull. Chocolate cake. Hooray!
Did someone say cake? Oh, I love this game. Ho ho ho.
This was the best mystery box ever. Snort!
If you want to see us play again, click the like button.
Goodbye.
Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.